Hi, and welcome to Extraordinary Links online activity group. This is my daughter and this is my son. Would you like to say hello?
Hello!
Today we are going to be making one of the most messy things on earth, which is so much fun. We are going to be making Gloop. Today what you're going to need is some corn flour, like this, about 2 cups. You are going to need some food colouring. If you want to, you don't have to use food colouring. And some water. The food colouring does make it a bit more messy. It does make it a lot nicer to look at. So I'm going to put my corn flour in my pot, and I'm going to show you in a minute. We'll have a look at what I'm making.
4 scoops.
We're having 4 scoops because I only have a half cup and we've got a very big pot. So what you need to do, right, can I have that? Thank you.
And I will.
Here's our food colouring. Yeah, you can. What we're going to do, because we learnt this recently, it's better to put this food colouring into the water. There you go, so you can put it in a few drops. That's perfect. Thank you. Let's give it a quick stir with my finger. Right, now I'm going to need 2 people to roll up their sleeves. Roll up your sleeves. Bob, roll up your sleeves, because otherwise you can't help me make this into glue. Are we ready?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to pour some of the water in.
Coloured water.
And I need you two to mix it in.
With my arm.
Why don't we just use our hands? Ooh, it's good stirring.
I think I need a bit more.
Only a little bit. Make sure it's all mixed in really well, and you're going to do some amazing things with this glue.
Wait.
My
little baby potato. Yes.
Okay. Why don't you just move your hands for a second? See how much more water we need. It's usually about a cup of water. But if you do use more water and it doesn't go as gloopy as you need it to, you can add more corn flour. Right.
Yeah, what the heck and whatever.
Right. So, I think this is pretty much done. So, what we're going to do...
It is, see? It's melting in my hand.
If you pick up a big gloop of it and roll it in your hand, actually goes solid. But if you stop moving it, it drips down.
No, not more.
This is actually science. The gloop, when you're warming it up in your hands, sticks together.
Add some more food coloring.
No, I think we have enough food coloring. So, that is gloop. Now, you can do lots of things with gloop. I would suggest getting some kind of toy and doing a few experiments to see what would stay on top of your glue and what not. So, God seems to be a bit squishy. So, you can use lots and lots of things. So, that is how you make glue. As you can see, it's incredibly exciting. And lots of people get very, very excited because it's so much fun. You can put all sorts of things in glue. If you join us next week, we're going to make a snake that moves. I hope you've had lots of fun and we will see you then. Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!